Get brushless power and speed in a compact size with the 12V Max CXT Lithium-Ion Brushless Impact Driver. It's more compact, has more comfort, and more capacity with a brushless motor for increased efficiency.
Right now we are in Chicago, right off of Cermak and Indiana, and we're building a 40-story, and right now we're on the 32nd floor.
The DT04Z features Assist Mode, which helps eliminate screw cam-out and cross-threading by driving at low speed until tightening begins. It's ideal for driving longer fasteners.
Well, on this Makita 12V, the Assist Mode and the 2-speeds came in handy to start off like a 3-inch screw, the longer screws, the slower speed to get you started so you don't lose control of the screw. And then it speeds up on its own to drive the screw home.
Oh, the compact size is really great. It fits in lots of tight spaces. Oh, being able to choke it down to a slower speed really helped get through the drywall really well. Oh, Assist Mode would be very beneficial for longer type lag screws like that, or even self-tappers.
For added convenience, the slide-style battery enables the tool to stand on its own, and it includes an onboard LED charge level indicator. For longer runtime, pick up the 4-amp-hour battery.
Cordless is by far way better than corded. There's no comparison. You're not dragging a cord 100 feet through the building.
Makita 12V Max CXT tools are equipped with a battery protection circuit, communication technology between the tool and battery that protects against overload, over-discharge, and overheating. It's part of the expanding 12V Max CXT series, giving you more comfort and more capacity in a more compact size.
On this particular 12V, I think it's commercial job site ready. It's small, it's lightweight.
Yes, I would definitely recommend this.